In order to add PayPal account on a Nintendo Switch 2, first of all, we need to open a Nintendo eShop. Let's proceed by selecting our user and go to your user over here in the top right corner. Next, we're gonna go to settings, and over here we have PayPal account where we can press set. Over here we need to scan the QR code on our smartphone in order to proceed. You can also use this link on your PC in order to do this on your PC instead of using your smartphone. So once you open the page, you should be able to sign into your Nintendo account, and then you will find the link button. The link button will redirect you to the PayPal website where you will need to sign in or confirm that you want to link the PayPal account. And once that is done, you should be able to see a confirmation that your account has been linked. That is, of course, on your either smartphone or PC. And once that is done, you want to press confirm. And we go. PayPal account settings are complete. So there is the PayPal account address. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.